Hello, traders. Welcome to the Good Morning Trading Show of the 16th day of January 2026. First of all, the recap of what happened yesterday. Okay. Number one, we had a few zones we were looking at, and this is one of them, the big demand, all right? This resistance zone here and the supply zone here. However, as market was playing along, violating this previous day's low, I was no longer interested in this little one. That was why my focus was this one. And when we check carefully, market did not come into this zone, and I have strict rules for entry. And this is the same thing you should apply to yourself. You need to have strict rules for entry. So market did not come into the zone. Then there was no trade for me. There was a minor resistance here. Market did not get there either. There was a resistance here. Market did not get there. But market broke lower, creating this drop, base drop, the supply zone. And now market was just trading lower. So what did I do? I simply went down 2 months ago, and this was it. So there was actually a low here. This was the lowest part of Tuesday, and market did not touch it again. When market came there, I went to 5 minutes. So coming down to 5 minutes, what did I see? I saw this move, which was liquidity creation. And so market took out the liquidity, getting into the zone, and my entry was here. And like I said, my target as always is just 1.5R. So that was it. The process remains the same. The outcome will always be different. Sometimes the market will just go straight to your TP, and other times it will dance around in your stop loss area. Sometimes it will grind until it gets to your TP. And that's it for yesterday. Now for today. First, economics. Do we have news today? 11 a.m. there's going to be a news on the Great Britain pounds. So the governor of the Bank of England is going to be speaking. I continue my analysis. There's no US news. There is no Euro news today. Next thing is trend. Reset the chart. What do you see? The market is going down. This big demand has been taken out finally. So we are in a downtrend. And you can see it here actually. This is a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so we are in a downtrend. Next is the level. So in order to draw the level, as you know, I'm going to be marking up yesterday's highs and yesterday's lows and other relevant and visible zones. Follow me. These are my 3 zones, but there are other zones that you should just take note of. I'm not going to be marking them with a box. I'm just going to be drawing maybe dash lines on it. So the first one is these areas. This is the previous week's low. Definitely when market comes there, you may find some reactions there. That's number one. The second one is these areas here, because this was the immediate support that was broken. This previous week's low was the low of last week, but this was the low of yesterday that was broken. This low was not broken, so that's why the low that was not broken is used as a support, but the low that was broken is going to be used as what? Resistances. The floor has now become the ceiling. So when market gets here and is giving some reactions, I will go to the 5-minute time frame and now look for number 4, which is the pattern. If there's no confirmation, good and fine. I will wait for market to get to this level and see what the reactions will be. But my major focus is going to be on this supply level. So I'm going to be dragging this alert. I'll be bringing it to this one here. That's where I will be bringing it. So when market gets to this point, which is a 3rd level, I would be more interested in it. So there might be a reaction here, there might be a reaction here, and there might be a reaction here. It's now 8:24 as at the time of this recording. My closure time is going to be 6 p.m. Any setup after 6 p.m. becomes invalid to me. All right, guys, remember the process remains the same, but the outcome would definitely be different. Past performance does not guarantee result. Once again, my name is Sir A.A. James. Do have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Make sure you enjoy your weekend with your loved ones. Bye bye.